Virtually all human societies have been influenced by the great diversity and abundance of arthropods. Given how present they are in ecosystems all over the globe, it's perhaps not surprising to learn that insects are important to many different aspects of human society. Human reactions to insects can run the gamut from worship to downright disgust, and vary around the world and over time with the rise and fall of different human cultures. Most of these perspectives are founded in the benefits and damage attributed to insects, from pollination, nutrient cycling, and pest control, to the spread of disease and destruction of crops. Perspectives are also influenced by cultural norms. The study of how insects and other arthropods influence aspects of human culture is known as cultural entomology. Insects have migrated into many facets of human culture, with a strong presence in mythology, art, music, and even technology. Insects hold so much interest for people that there are even zoos and pavilions dedicated entirely to insects. For instance, the Audubon Insectarium in New Orleans receives an estimated 400,000 visitors per year, including one of your instructors. The impact of insects on human culture has been incredibly far-reaching, extending all the way to the stars. Several nebulae and other astronomical features are named after arthropods, like the beautiful Butterfly Nebula and Spider Nebula, along with the well-known constellation Scorpio. Throughout this module, we have attempted to find correct pronunciations for the terms from different languages, and apologize for any potential errors. In the next video, we begin to look at some historical instances of insects in human cultures. And what better way to begin than with a story about the creation of the world?